Hey Glam Dolls, so excited to be using my MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics Warm Radiant Palette. So excited. So I'm starting off by priming the entire mobile area of my eyes, and with my fingertips I'm blending that up towards the brow bone, jumping right into my palette with a fluffy blending brush, picking up a color closest to my natural skin tone and begin applying that directly into my crease as well as the mobile area of my eye, being sure to keep it going in a windshield type motion. I'm going to go back into the palette and pick up another color that's slightly darker than my natural skin tone and begin popping that directly in the crease, again in a windshield type motion. I have been truly enjoying the quality of this palette. As you can see, there's 24 eyeshadows that includes mattes and shimmers. They are super easy to blend and insane pigmentation. Color you see, you're definitely going to get. Oh, see that? Yep, color you see, you're definitely going to get. I'm picking up a flat shader brush and I picked up that color. It's kind of like a beige-esque kind of color. Super pigmented. Applying that only on the mobile area of my eye, keeping it only on the mobile area of my eye. I'm looking to create a neutral, semi-smoky-eyed, easy wearable daytime look. Now here's where I take a tiny bit of that black. I kid you not, a tiny bit of the black is definitely going to go a super long way. I don't want it to be too overwhelming, so I'm putting a little bit in and I'm focusing that in only on my outer V. As I already said, these eyeshadows are insanely pigmented. Color you see, you definitely get. So the least little bit will definitely carry you a long way. And like I said before, they are very easy to blend. The palette also includes some pressed glitters, but I won't be using that in this video today. But there are a few videos I will link down in the description box below sharing with you all looks that I have created by using the pressed glitters within my palette. So here I am just moisturizing my skin, and now I'm using my Milk of Magnesia. Now I know there is a lot of controversy behind using Milk of Magnesia as a primer, but I kid you not, I never had any side effects or bad reactions, and it doesn't leave a white cast spell over my skin or makeup when I use it. This really helps to control my oily skin, and there are a plethora of different videos talking about the benefits of using the Milk of Magnesia. So now I'm just taking my foundation, and here is where I begin to pull my entire look together by blending my face using a facial blending brush. And once I finish blending in the entire perimeters of my face, I'm then going to move in to applying my under eye concealer. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser Concealer. Whew, that was a mouthful, but baby, that concealer is true. It's also infused with jojoba oil, which helps to diminish your fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm going to go ahead and blend out that concealer. I'm also blending out the Maybelline foundation stick that I use as a contour right here. I use that as a contour, and together I'm going to blend those two out. Then I'm going to take my highlighter, which I purchased from my local Dollar Tree, and I'm going to begin highlighting just the bridge area of my cheeks. That highlighter is so pigmented. To say it's just $1, it's worth you getting in Dollar Tree and finding it. To really kick it up a notch, I'm using my Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop. A little bit of that is going to go a long way. I just want to kind of boost the highlighter up. And I'm using my LA Colors Bronze Tan Powder. So I'm putting that along the perimeters of my face, followed by my favorite blush by Milani Cosmetics Rose de Rio. A little bit of that is going to go a long way. Then I'm going to outline my lips to prep them for my MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics Basic Nude Lippy. What I love about my lipsticks is they are infused with jojoba and natural grapeseed oil, vitamin E, and shea butter. The formula provides excellent hydration and protection that keeps your lips very healthy. I'm also going to top my lippy off with just a little bit of lip gloss. You know, a little bit of that is going to go a long way. And this concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in another one shortly. Later, dolls.